So now we get into REST parameters. Again, this should be taught in the Intro to JavaScript course, or at least the Intermediate JavaScript course, but alas, it just isn't, which is a little annoying, but it does have its place in TypeScript. So essentially, REST parameters, it is weirdly named because REST in my mind just thinks, you go to rest or something like that, but basically it means the rest of the parameters. You can pass in however many parameters you want, and it all concatenates into one array. So the way you do that is to use this period, this ellipses right here, with not ellipses. I'm pretty sure, actually, no, I think I said that right, ellipses. Basically just says, hey, take all of these the rest of the parameters and throw them into an array called nums to add. And here we go again with the any. So we haven't declared these types. So we need to make sure that these types are actually declared. So this is going to be a number, and this is going to be a number array, because nums to add is going to be passed in. If I just do a number, there's going to be a bit of an error. So we need to make sure that it is an array, so that we know, or at least TypeScript knows, it is an, oh my gosh, let me hover over this. It is a number array. Okay, so now, what do you mean? Oh, return, it needs to return a number. Number, great. Yay. So now there's no such thing as a power of a string. So verify add power string 4, 5, 6. So notice how it won't work. If I do TSC, let me type in here. God. Okay, and notice how there is an issue with passing in a string because it's not a number. It's pretty obvious. Now we get into the spread syntax. Again, it should be taught in JavaScript, not in TypeScript. This is really annoying, but whatever. Quite obnoxious. So, the idea here is we have an array of tuples that are... So this is our type, string, number, boolean. Okay. Please create a type annotation. Yep, I have done that. Although it doesn't like this comma right here. I always put the comma there because it's good for get. So anyway, perform the whole dance from start to finish by looping over dance moves, and passing a bit in. So let for const tuple of dance moves. I'm going to perform dance move ... tup. So the whole idea of this is it takes every single part of this tuple and we'll apply it into here. So notice how it's string number boolean. This is also string number boolean. If I run this, I need to run TSC node index.js. Yay, it works. So you've got annotations for arrays, and well, that's weird. What am I looking at? Okay, well, that's useful. Thank you. Anyway, type annotations for arrays and tuples and how to utilize them with REST parameters and stuff like that. That last point with the REST parameter and spreading out into, like, spreading a tuple like that, I think that's kind of dumb. I would just use an array of objects. It would be, in my opinion, more clean and easier to understand, because that's just, it to me just makes a lot more sense, because then you can pass in like a person and here are the types of things that they can do, and that function will do those things or something. I don't know. I just, personally, that last thing didn't really make a lot of sense, but whatever. REST parameters with tuples and types.